Mr. President, my organization wants to bring attention of UN bodies to pressing human rights and national existence issue that requires the urgent attention of this Council and her bodies. The people of Sindh in Pakistan suffering worst form of slavery, humiliation, political oppression, economic exploitation for past 75 years. Pakistan is treating Sindh as a colony and deprived people of their homeland, culture, language and political freedom. The state is looting Sindh's economic resources, mineral reserves, national wealth, river, sea and altering demography. Political workers of Sindh, including journalists, writers and human rights activists, are being enforcedly disappeared by ISI and their voices are being silenced. Even today, hundreds of political activists, including Jasmam leader Ijaz Gao, Sohail Bhatti and many others are in torture cells of ISI. The dead, mutilated bodies of political activists Muzaffar Bhutto and others are thrown by agencies who were imprisoned for years in ISI's torture cells. The political Jasmam leaders Rai Qurban and others have been burnt alive. Furthermore, the historical nations and religious minorities in Pakistan are facing grave violations of their rights. This is being done with impunity and judiciary system is paralyzed, unable to provide justice to the victims. The floods have also caused a significant loss of homes, property and crops, leaving the people of Sindh in a state of devastation. Pakistan has intentionally left these people alone to die without providing any significant assistance. Therefore, I urge UN bodies to call upon the Pakistani government to immediately stop the oppression and slavery of Sindhi nation, including disappearances of activists and human rights violation. Moreover, we call upon the international community to monitor the situation closely and take necessary action to address the concerns of Sindhi nation. It is essential that the voices of Sindhi nation should be heard and their human rights are protected.
Thank you very much for your intervention.